Well folks, what's good? Welcome back to the vlog. It's been a while, haven't posted much. Been using the mid-season break from Proride to basically rest up, get some injuries back in better condition, and yeah, just generally haven't been riding so much. But I say we're back this weekend, round 4 at Scarva. Bit of a cross-country event rather than our typical sort of hard enduro, which probably doesn't lean to my strengths. Definitely more of a technical rider than I am a fast rider, but yeah, it'll be good. Be good to get back racing. It's been far too long. So today we're going to go up to HTM, get some parts, get the bike serviced, get it ready for the weekend. So let's go. Right, we're here, Sunday morning. I take back everything I said about it's been a fast race. It's been 2 days of really heavy rain. It's a slippy shithole. And yeah, even the pro guys are really struggling here, so God knows how it's going to be for our race. Go on, Cameron! On now! Yeah, so when the pros are struggling, you know, for us sportsmen, it's gonna be interesting. There's a couple of off campers and stuff that are single file. Like I might be able to fall on first lap, so to get past that's gonna be key. But there is no grip anywhere, so getting a good start could be tricky enough. Well, there we go. Round 4, King of the Castle. Do you what? I was very negative before the start of the race. Probably the best race I've rode this season. Really enjoyable. So yeah, cheers to all the Proride guys again, and we'll see you next time.